good, guys? Welcome back. We're back on another catch and cook mission. We're getting some coals ready to cook, and we've taken refuge in this cave. Yeah, it's a little rainy outside, but that's not going to stop us. So yeah, get ready to take a dip because I'm going to show you guys how we caught the fish. You ready? Here you go.
So at first, I'm just cruising through the shallows, just checking all the rock crevices, looking for something either hiding or maybe sleeping. Taking it very slow as I hunt with the hand spear, not trying to scare any fish or miss anything along the way. So yeah, slow and steady, just taking my time, there's no rush. And check out this missed opportunity. Did not see this flathead until it was too late. It's just amazing how well they blend in. Let's run that back. Let's watch it again. Miss my first shot, then get a little bit deeper and take a second one, and I get a nice holding shot right in the head. Then quickly dispatch him, trying to mitigate pain and suffering. But yeah, we got one, guys. Time to cook up.
Alright, after walking a bit and a few slips, we found our cave. So this is where we're gonna cook up our fish out of the rain. It is pouring outside. But yeah, luckily we found some shelter. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh yeah, we're getting some good coal action there. Nice and hot. All right, so now that the coals are starting to get to where we want them to be, we're gonna take our fish, we're just gonna score it 3 times, just so it doesn't curl up while it's cooking. So we'll score it 3 times both sides and then we'll get cooking. So yeah, let's get into it. We're actually going to leave all the scales on. So cooking on an open fire, you want to leave the scales on because it'll protect the meat from burning. So yeah, it's like you need no oil, you can chuck it straight on the coals and no worries. So yeah, keep the scales on. And when it's cooked, the skin will just peel straight off. Perfect.
at that smoky goodness.
Alright, I think it's almost ready. Almost ready. Should have brought more wood because the coals are kind of they're barely doing it, but they're doing it. Alright, thank you guys for coming along. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did. And I'm just gonna sit back, relax, eat some lunch, and enjoy this view. So until next time, guys, take it easy.